Hey you guys, I want to show you got my Subway sandwich. A foot-long steak and cheese with lettuce, tomatoes, with spinach, mayonnaise, and banana peppers, green peppers. So eat healthy, because I know I eat steak and cheese. I haven't had steak and cheese in a while, so eat healthy at Subway, like tuna fish or something like that, or if you want to build your muscles and eat right and don't eat too much junk food.